Hi everyone, I'm Sabi. In this video, I would like to show you why to clean the worksheets before adding them on a dashboard. If you create a worksheet with a visualization like this one, and if you add some features to the worksheet, and the important point is that these features are visible, like on the screenshot, it can be problematic if you would like to add this worksheet to a dashboard. Why? I'll show you a quick example. I go to the practice sheet and I create a small visualization. I add country to the rows, sales current year to the columns, I sort it, I make it a bit bigger, I add sales current year as a label, I add the year over year changes as colors, and I would like to show country and product as a filter. So not only add them as a filter, but also show them on this particular worksheet as a filter. So I click on the country, show filter, I click on product, show filter. On this worksheet, I have this visualization and I have these features, the two filters and the color legend. What happens if I add the whole worksheet to a dashboard? I go to the summary dashboard, and if I drag the worksheet and I add it to the right side of this dashboard, the horror story has just begun. Not only the worksheet is appearing, but the additional features as well. And it's sometimes really hard to organize them. How can you avoid this situation? It is very simple. Click on the undo button, go back to the worksheet, and you can hide these features on the worksheet. How can you hide them? You can click on the product filter and you can choose hide card. You can click on the other filter as well, hide card, and you can click on the color legend, hide card. No worries, you have not removed the features, they are simply not visible on the worksheet. Here you can see the filters, for example, and the colors are still here. But only the visualization is visible on the worksheet. If you go back to the summary dashboard, now I try to edit again, and I edit to the right side, only the visualization is appearing. You cannot see the additional features. I would like to highlight, if you click on the more options, here you can see all the filters, legends, and the parameters if you have, and you can add them to the dashboard, of course, but I highly recommend to hide them on the worksheets and add them separately to the dashboard. This was the short summary, why to clean the worksheets before adding them on a dashboard. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a nice day. Bye bye.